The audit to nowhere. In August 2011, Cincinnati City Council voted unanimously to spend $80,000 on a state performance audit to find ways to save money in the Public Services Department, the division that collects your trash, fills potholes, and removes snow. Now, 16 months later, the city has major disagreements about the report's conclusions and money-saving recommendations that have been largely ignored. So what happened? Business Courier senior reporter Lucy May wrote the story. She joins us now to help answer the question. So these audits would have saved the city, according to the auditor, more than $3 million, about $3.7 million. And are they just going to be ignored now?
Well, it's a tricky proposition, as with so many things in government and politics. The state auditor's office says that they stand by the recommendations. They think the audit is terrific and did a good job. The city administration is not so sure. They say they disagree with some of the fundamental premises of the audit, some of the ways the auditor used the information, that the city actually provided information to the auditor, but the city disagrees with the ways the auditor used that information. City administration says the audit can't really save as much money as the state auditor purports, so that's why the recommendations were largely ignored.
So they spent 80 grand for this audit?
Yes.
So does you just say, well, forget about it?
Well, that's what it looked like, but as I reported this story, I talked with Vice Mayor Roxanne Qualls, who was disappointed that the findings came back the way they did. She said that she thinks there's a way for the city administration and the state auditor's office to work together to kind of try to clarify what happened during this process. Councilman Charlie Winburn, who championed the audit from the beginning, is not so sure. He feels like the city gave the auditor bogus information and then once the conclusions came out, argued with them.
So it looks like some of it might be salvaged eventually.
Yep, we can hope so.
We're going to read about it in your reporter page. Thank
Great.
you, Lucy.
Thank you.